Digitspin crypto.
Hey, it's Dino at Digitspin. I got a little video segment for you that's hot off the press. And Richard Ells is going to talk about off-ramps, where you can spend your Electroneum. And right after that, we're going to meet Lucy, who's the lead designer, and does all the graphic work with her team for Electroneum.
To put it out there, but we've got some of the off-ramp, should we say, negotiations are advanced. So the ability for people to jump out into a fiat-based or spendable-based, not always fiat, but a spendable-based medium, there's some advanced talks on that as well. So that means that you can go from any task, get your remittance without the bank, get it into ETN, and then in one particular instance, there are 27,000 places in that country that you can spend that.
What's this?
Okay, next up, I found a couple of folks hiding in the back here. Let's find out. And you are?
I'm Lucy, so I'm a design lead here. So I've only been here about 5 months, but we've made kind of quite a big impact already. I've mainly been doing the graphics for any task and for Electroneum, so yeah, it's quite exciting stuff.
You're the one that makes Electroneum look the way it does on the website?
Yeah.
And you came up with the new Electroneum logo and all that, I would imagine.
Yeah,
you
all
and
the
your
any
team?
task stuff, yeah, we did, yeah.
Wow, so it's pretty fantastic. I know a lot of people like that. It's colorful, it's creative, it's kind of modern.
Yeah, no.
So that's great.
Some exciting stuff coming up in the next year. So,
Anything new graphic-wise that you're going to be whipping up?
no, it's just mainly, well, at the moment it's just all go on the kind of Electroneum on the Any Task campaign, so kind of working on these characters and getting some real life kind of people behind the visuals. That'll be kind of the focus in the next couple of months.
Awesome, so if you guys like all these great graphics that you see on Any Task, that's Lucy and her team will take care of that. Awesome, thanks. And good night. Captain Kangaroo.